Q4 is finally upon us, sales are going through the roof, and if you want a piece of this action, do not go anywhere. Because in this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 dropshipping products that you need to sell in your dropshipping stores for December. Get ready, because this is going to be a good one. We have low-ticket items, high-ticket items, all with very high profitability. All of these items are super popular and trending right now. Scalloped crystal chandelier. To start the list, we have the cello round chandeliers. This home decor piece is a great addition to a room with a fantastic design and excellent quality. In addition, this product is for those customers who want to have an elegant interior design. So, what is the profit potential of cello round chandeliers? Selling price: $9,565. Source price: $4,576. Potential profit: $4,988. Target audience: gender, male, female. Age: 30 to 65. Marital status: single, married. Economic status: upper middle class. Let's take a look at the seller's website and source. On the page, the seller is selling the item for $9,565, including shipping and taxes. In addition, the site has a bundling strategy where products are often purchased together. To clarify, product bundling is a cross-selling strategy that encourages customers to purchase multiple products and increases our average order value. Supplier's website. Turning to the supplier's website, we could buy the exact product at a discounted price of $4,576.82. In addition to the 50% discount on the marked price, there were 2 discount coupons for $3 and $100. Regarding the product range, we could choose from 3 different colors and 2 sizes. Although there is only 1 order for this product, the supplier has a 100% customer rating. This means that the supplier is reliable and will ship the products to us promptly. In addition, this supplier provides additional information about the product, so we can easily optimize the available information and images to make us stand out from the competition. 3D LED bedside moon lamp. If we sell products in the field of home decoration, then 3D LED bedside moonlight is a must-have product in our store. The product is a beautiful decorative piece that adds to the warmth of our rooms. So, what is the profit potential of a 3D LED bedside moon lamp? Selling price: $34. Source price: $11. Potential profit: $22. Target audience: gender, male, female. Age: 20 to 50. Marital status: married, single. Interests: home decor, interior design, reading in bed, cozy atmosphere. Occupation: homeowners. Let's take a look at the seller's website and source. Lampolisris website shows that the product is priced at $34, which is a discount from the list price. In addition, the product has a 5-star rating from 16 customers. Therefore, displaying customer ratings helps to increase customers' trust when they search for the product. After placing an order on the website, customers can track their order. In addition to this, the website now has a 50% discount plus free shipping, which helps to increase the profitability of the brand. Supplier's website. On AliExpress, it is currently priced at $11.89, including shipping. On top of that, the vendor is offering a $3 off coupon for the product and a 57% discount off the list price. In addition, the product is available in 3 different colors, and the vendor has a 95.2% positive feedback rating. So, you can rest assured that this is sourced from a reliable supplier. Headache relief cap. Another big seller in November was the headache relief cap. The headache cap offers both cold and hot therapy, and it is a very effective product for people suffering from headaches, stress, and migraines. So, what is the profit potential of a headache relief cap? Selling price: $34. Source price: $11. Potential profit: $22. Target audience: gender, male, female. Age: 18 to 65. Marital status: married, single. Interests: body care, health care. Let's take a look at the seller's website and source. On this site, we see that the product now has a $5 discount, and the product is priced at $34.95. In addition to this, they also have a 5-star rating out of 366 reviews, and the product page is made in great detail, and the seller shows in detail how to use the product. Supplier's website. Turning to the supplier's website, the product was priced at $15.70 on AliExpress. The supplier also gave 45% off the list price, an additional $3 and $5 discount. With these discounts, we have enough profit margin. In addition, we can give the same discounts to our customers and increase sales. The product has 4.85 stars out of 145 reviews and 2,001 orders, and this AliExpress supplier has a 96.2% positive rating. This supplier offers 5 different colors, so we can also offer a variety of colors on our dropshipping website. Long Cat Plush Pillow. This is a plush pillow with a cat pattern that can be bought for children because of its visual appeal and versatility. So, what is the profit potential of a long cat plush pillow? Selling price: $34. Source price: $11. Potential profit: $22. Target audience: gender, female, age 15 to 30. Marital status: single. Interests: children's toys, home decor, gifts. Let's take a look at the seller's website and source. Next, let's analyze how Squishing sells the long cat plush pillow. Regarding the sale price, the product is priced at $59.90, including shipping. At the top of the page, they place a banner stating free shipping over $99 and $10 off over $50. In addition, the seller offers 5 different sizes and 20 different colors to provide customers with multiple choices, increase customer satisfaction, and reduce the return rate. Supplier's website. So, how much does it cost to purchase a long cat plush pillow? On AliExpress, the vendor sells the exact product for $40 with free shipping. Plus, there is an additional discount of $3 for orders over $4. The supply also offers a variety of colors and sizes. Therefore, we can also offer the product in different sizes and colors in our store. In addition, the supplier's products have 4.75-star ratings and a total of 4,577 orders, which means it is in high demand. The supply also provides high-quality product images for us to use. Window Screen Repair Tape. Window Screen Repair Tape is a popular window repair and restoration tool. This tape is made of durable material with strong adhesion and can be used to repair small holes in our window screens. So, what is the profit potential of window screen repair tape? Selling price: $2.27. Source price: 1 cent. Potential profit: $2.26. Target audience: gender, male, female, age 18 to 50. Marital status: married, single. Interests: stationery, home improvement. Let's take a look at the seller's website and source. The seller of this product sells window screen repair tape for $2.17 with free delivery. With 1,000 plus reviews and a 4.885 rating as shown on the website page. This product has real consumer feedback that could boost the sale of the item. In addition to that, they also use the "You Might Also Like" section for cross-selling. Cross-selling technique refers to promoting similar products of interest. Supplier's website. Now it's time to check out the products available on AliExpress. After getting a 1% discount, we can buy this product for 1 cent with free shipping. In addition, the provider offers a 2% discount on orders that buy 3 pieces. This product sold 2,111 units, received 533 reviews, and received a 4.75 rating. In addition, the supplier had a positive feedback rate of 94.6%. This means that this is a reliable supplier that we can work with. Congratulations! With this top 5 list of products, your sales will skyrocket this December. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like this video or subscribe to this channel.